Welcome to lecture number 17 of chapter 4 series. Now in this video we are going to continue the exercise. First question for today is exercise question number 4.27. The question is like this: the rate constant of first order decomposition of H2O2 is given by following equation. Log K is equal to 14.34 minus 1.25 into 10 raised to 4 K by T. Calculate EA for this reaction and at what temperature will its half period be 256 minutes. Okay, so in the question a decomposition reaction is there, and for that reaction rate constant is given by this equation. Rate constant is directly not given to you, a equation is given to you. Now for that reaction we have to calculate EA, means activation energy, and a temperature at which half period of the reaction is 256 minutes. That temperature we are going to find out. So first, for first order reaction, this is the Arrhenius equation. K is equal to A into e raised to minus EA by RT. Now take natural logarithm on both sides. So you will get ln K is equal to ln A into e raised to minus EA by RT. Now these two values are in multiplication here. So we can write two separate ln with plus sign between them. So here I have done that. Now this minus EA by RT, it is in power of E, so this value will be in multiplication of ln E. Now ln E is equal to 1, so our equation will be ln K is equal to ln A minus EA by RT. Now convert ln into log, so multiply it by 2.303. Now divide whole equation by 2.303. So you will get log K is equal to log A minus EA divided by RT into 2.303. Now what is the equation that is given to you? Log K is equal to 14.34 in minus 1.25 into 10 raised to 4 KT. Now compare these both equation. You will see some similarities here. Log K are same. Suppose value of log A is 14.34, so this value minus EA by RT, that must be minus 1.25 into 10 raised to 4 K by T. So here I have written that only. EA by RT into 2.303 is equal to 1.24 into 10 raised to 4 K by T. Now make formula for EA. So you will get EA is equal to 1.24 into 10 raised to 4 K into R, this R, into T. T will be cancelled out here. You can see both side T is there, so TT is cancelled out here, into 2.303. Now value of R, that is 8.314. so here I have written that value. Now this multiplication 2.303 into 8.314 into 1.25, that multiplication is 23.9339275 into 10 raised to 4 joule per mole. Now convert it into kilojoule. This 10 raised to minus 4 is as such here, so convert it in kilojoule, so that 10 raised to 4 will be 10 raised to 1 here, kilojoule per mole. Now that is our activation energy, one answer. The second question was to calculate temperature at which T1 half is equal to 256 minutes. So for that calculation T1 half is given to us 256 minutes. So equation for T1 half of first order reaction is written here. T1/2 is equal to 0.693 divided by K. Put value in that equation and find out K value here. So you will get 0.00270 into 60 second inverse, that is 0.162 second inverse. Now put that K value in the given equation. So here instead of K I have written 0.162 14.34 as such, 1.25 into 10 raised to 4 K by T as such. Now log of 0.162, that is minus 0.7904. So that value I have written. Now just change side of this 14.34. So you will get 15.1304 is equal to 1.25 into 10 raised to 4 K by T. Now if you simplify that equation, you will get T is equal to 0.0826 into 10 raised to 4 K, that is as such. In the whole equation K remains as such. Okay. Now next question, exercise question number 4.28. The question is like this: the decomposition of A into product has value K is equal to 4.5 into 10 raised to 3 second inverse at 10 degrees Celsius, and energy of activation is 60 kilojoule per mole. At what temperature K would be 1.5 into 10 raised to 4 second inverse? Okay, so here first K value is given to you, 4.5 into 10 raised to 3 second inverse, and at that time the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. So convert it into Kelvin, 283 Kelvin. Activation energy is also given to 60 kilojoule per mole. Convert it in joule per mole, so you will get 60 into 10 raised to 3 joule per mole. Now second K value is given to you, 1.5 into 10 raised to 4 second inverse. Here I have written, we have to find out the second temperature. At what temperature K would be this value, means second temperature we want to find out. So here equation is there, Arrhenius equation, log K2 by K1 is equal to EA divided by 2.303 into R in brackets T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2. So put value in that equation. Here I have written K value, K2 value as well as K1 value, you can see, into is equal to EA value, R, that is 8.314. Here second T value we want to find out. Suppose that value is small t, I have written here. So small t minus 283 divided by 283 T. Now if you simplify this, if you solve this, you will get log 0.3 is equal to, this calculation will be 3130. Now simplify that equation, log 0.3, that is minus 0.5228 divided by 3130 is equal to T minus 283 divided by 283 T. Now this value will be 0.0001670 is equal to T minus 283 divided by 283 T. Now this value 283 T, that is in division here, so change side, it will be in multiplication. Now that multiplication you will get minus 0.0004727 T is equal to T minus 283. Here minus is there. Okay, so make a correction here, in both this equation minus is there. So you will get minus 1.0048276 T is equal to minus 283. So temperature is 281.64 Kelvin or 8.64 Celsius. The next question 4.29. The question is like this: the time required for 10% completion of first order reaction at 298 Kelvin is equal to that required for its 25% completion at 308 Kelvin. If value of A 4 into 10 raised to 10 second inverse, calculate K at 318 Kelvin temperature and activation energy. Okay, so here total 3 temperature are given to us. First temperature 298, and at that time 10% of completion of reaction is there, means 90% of reactant will be there as such as reactant. 90% reaction complete થાય છે, so sorry 10% complete થાય છે, so 90% reactant as such as a reaction mixture ની અંદર. Second temperature is given to you 308 Kelvin. At that temperature 25% completion આપેલું છે, so that's why 25% completion of reaction means 75% reaction remains as such. A value is given to 4 into 10 raised to 10 second inverse. Third temperature is given to 318 Kelvin, and at that temperature we are going to find out K value and activation energy EA value. Now for temperature first, this is differential equation for first order reaction. Now we have this A0, R0 and R. Suppose initial concentration is 100 and at T1 you can see 90% reactant remains as such, so instead of R I have taken 90 here, is equal to T. Now 100 divided by 90, that is 1.11, so I have written that. Convert ln into log, so multiply it by 2.303, log 1.11, that is 0.0453. Now this multiplication you will get 0.1043 divided by K is as such here, is equal to time T. Now similarly for temperature, second temperature, apply differential rate equation. Here R value is different. You can see 25% reaction completion was there, so 75% of reactant remains as such, so instead of R we are going to put 75 there. So you can see here 75 is here, rest of it is same. 100 divided by 75, 100 divided by 75, that is 1.33. Now ln into log means 2.303 is there in multiplication, log 1.33 value, that is 0.1238. that value I have written here. Now this multiplication you will get 0.2852 divided by K2 is equal to T. Now in the question it is given that these both time T are same, so compare these both time, so you will get 0.2852 is equal to 0.10 K3 divided by K1. Now from that you can see K2 by K equation, I have K2 by K ratio we can get 2.7347. Now to find out EA, activation energy, Arrhenius equation is there. this Arrhenius equation. In that you can see K2 by K is there. EA we are going to find out. R value 8.314. Temperature, both temperature value we have. So we are going to put value in this equation. You can see log 2.73 is equal to EA as such, divide by 2.303 into 8.314. Temperature, that is 308 minus 298, divide by 308 into 298. Now this value will be 0.0001089, and log 2.7347, that is 0.4361. These two values are in division here, so that will be multiplication on in multiplication on other side of is equal to. So you will get EA activation energy is equal to 76676.47 joule per mole. Now second value we are going to calculate, that is we are going to calculate the value of K here, and at temperature 318. Okay, so here second form of Arrhenius equation is there. This is also Arrhenius equation, second form. So you can see the same calculation is here as previous example. So here log K is equal to log A minus EA by RT into 2.303. Now A value is given to 4 into 10 raised to 10. So here I have written that 4 into 10 raised to 10. EA value we found out 76676.47. R value, T value here is third temperature 318 Kelvin. Now here you can see in logarithm two value are in multiplication, so we can write two different log with plus sign between them. So here I have written that. Now this 10 is in power, so that will be in multiplication here, and log 10 base 10 value, that is 1. So here I have written 10 only. Then log 4 value, that is 0.6020, and this whole calculation will be 12.59. So here I have written that. Now if you solve this, you will get minus 1.98. So K will be anti-log of minus 1.98, and that value will be 1.034 into 10 raised to minus 2. That is our K value at 318 Kelvin temperature, and unit will be second inverse here. Now exercise question number 4.30. The question is like this: the rate of reaction quadruples when temperature changes from 293 to 313 Kelvin. Calculate activation energy of the reaction assuming that it does not change with temperature. Okay, here two temperatures are given to us, 293 and 313, and when temperature rises, the rate quadruples here. Now what does mean by quadruples? Means it increases 4 times here. Rate increases 4 times. So when rate increases, rate constant also increases in similar level. So here you can write K2 is equal to 4K1. Quadruples means 4 times increases. So you can write rate constant relation here. Suppose at 313 Kelvin temperature, the rate constant is K2, and at 293 Kelvin, the rate constant is K1. Now it quadruples means you can write K2 is equal to 4K1. Now simply this is Arrhenius equation. In that, instead of K2 you can put 4K1, so K1 will be cancelled out. We are going to calculate this EA 2.303 as such. Instead of R you can put you will put 8.314. Two temperatures are given to you, so just put value in this equation and you will get the answer. Complete the example. Okay, thank you.